We are on boats.
Yes, I know. And the sea doesn't feel right.
Yeah, I got a pair of sunglasses on my back.
Why do you have sunglasses anyway?
I don't know.
Oh my god! Where's my cucumber? I can't find it.
You cannot find your cucumber.
No! Why are you smoking in that thing that you have your mouth on?
I am smoking because I cannot find my sunglasses.
But they're on your head. Can you find my cucumber?
It's right next to you.
Oh, there it is. Yummy.
Is it tasty?
No, but I will eat it anyway. And you can have it. Mine.
You're sitting on it, don't you?
Maybe.
It looks like you're eating yourself.
I do, because I can't find my cucumber.
It's strange.
Yes, I lost it again, so I'm eating myself to not starve.
You are a great guinea pig. My grandpa did the same. He did not survive a day, but he did it anyways because he should survive. He's a fantastic survivor.
I'm drowning. Oh no, the cucumber took my boat.
Remember, kids, always jump out of your boat when the cucumber is coming.
Okay, I will, but I'm drowning and it's scary and my butt is wet and that's not the water's fault.
It's not water, it's wood.
Anyway, my butt is wet.
Oh my god, my sunglasses are on my back. I think I found them.
Really?
No,
Oh, okay. Yummy.
I don't like cucumber. Oh, actually I do. Remember that time we went on an adventure to get it?
Okay, but you can't move and me neither. And
Do
it's
you
kind of poking my leg and it's feel good.
It's a thing poking your leg.
I know.
That's strange.
It feels good.
I like you.
I like myself too.
I'm hungry. I think I will eat my paws a little. I like to eat my paws even if they don't grow out again. They are all red and squishy. And that tastes so good when you eat them.
Why do, if you would have already eaten some paws, how many paws do you have now?
I have all my paws left, but I've eaten them anyway sometimes.
But that's creepy.
I didn't know anything guinea pigs did was creepy. But maybe dancing. But that's not creepy.
Do you want me to twerk?
No,
Why? Am I going to twerk?
because there should not be any hands in this movie.
Oh, you should eat your hands.
No, I don't want to eat them right now. I think I'll just smoke on this little pipe I have over here.
But you said no hands in this movie.
But not human hands. I mean guinea pig. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Me neither, but your sunglasses are sexy.
I'm hiding under them.
Yes, I know. Oh!
I'm moving.
You look so sexy.
I'm moving. I can't believe I was moving.
You look possessed.
Yes, kind of. I do.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
You wanna marry that cucumber?
I already have. She's called the cucumber. I mean, he's.
I thought you was a lesbian for a moment, but then you aren't.
But I like it. Ah, I'm drowning.
Oh my
And I
god.
can't find my cucumber.
Oh my god, you're Jesus. You're walking on the wooden desk.
I can't find my cucumber.
Oh my god.
No, I'm eating my cannon and it's dangerous for me.
Stop eating your cannon.
It wasn't delicious. I will search for my cucumber again, but I can't find it.
You're having an adventure on the wooden water. Oh my god, you're guinea pig Jesus.
I know. And the dragon on my boat was scary.
You are
I just sniffed my cucumber, but I can't find it.
You are guinea pig Jesus. Even, oh, you're sniffing the thing you were hanging on. But you're back. You are the guinea pig Jesus.
I know. I'm so sexy.
You
I
are.
have a beard.
You have a beard?
Yes, can you see it?
No.
I'm moving my boat.
Oh my God. Oh,
Where
come
are
to.
you? I can't find you.
I'm under the sunglasses.
I don't mean you. I'm talking with my man, Cucumber.
Oh, that explains the situation.
Yes.
I think I will turn my head little.
Where are you?
Where did my sunglasses go?
I don't know.
I think they are on my eyes.
No, they're not.
They aren't supposed to be on my eyes. They're supposed to be on my back.
Oh, that's too bad. Oh no, I'm too scared. And I can't go home now.
You're a guinea pig Jesus. You're on the food and water.
Your ass smells funny. Can you track it?
No, I can't.
Aw, but it's so delicious.
I like when you sniff on it. Do that a little more.
Okie dokie.
That
This
is.
is my cucumber.
You aren't sniffing on my ears. You're sniffing on my butt. Oh, I think the sunglasses. I found them. They are on my eyes. Wait, no, I lost them again.
Oh no, that's too bad.
Oh, I think I will eat. My boat tastes so good.
I will eat your soul. Okay, I don't know where your soul is, but I will eat your butt instead.
Why are your voice going away?
I don't know.
You are back.
I think it's puberty. Well.
Oh my God, you're back. You're back. You're fantastic. Now sniff my butt.
I just ate it.
Oh, I'm not feeling my butt anymore.
It's because it's in my stomach.
My sail is really crappy. Is it day or night right now? I think it's night. It's so dark with these sunglasses. Oh no, I lost them. I forgot that I lost them.
I can find them for you. They're delicious. I don't know how to get in your boat.
Oh my God, you're eating my fur. You're a cannibal. Oh my God, you're a guinea pig Jesus cannibal.
Yes, that's
What?
why I'm so awesome.
But I'm not a guinea pig Jesus. Then you are not a cannibal because I'm not guinea pig Jesus. You are Stop eating my fur.
Why? I want to eat your fur. It's so delicious.
Why are your voice going away again?
Because it's puberty.
Now you're back. Stop going away with your voice.
I'm not. It's puberty, I tell you. Nom, 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 nom,
Oh my God, you're eating my fur. Oh, if in case they won't see it because the sunglasses in the way. Oh, I almost forgot I lost them, right? I think you will eat my sail. It's really crappy. I can't see if it's day or night.
Where are you? I can't find you.
You cannot find me? Oh my Julia,
The sunglasses are delicious.
did you find my sunglasses?
Yes, they're delicious. Nom, 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 nom.
I know they are, but I cannot find them myself. I think they are on my eyes, but I'm not sure.
Ain't that?
No.
Oh my God, you're stupid.
You are one cute guinea pig. Wanna marry me?
No, I'm not a lesbo. I love my cucumber.
Oh, that's sad. 'Cause I would love to marry you. Your boat is really sexy. Oh, boat, you wanna marry me?
No, never.
Oh, I wanna marry my own boat. Or maybe my sunglasses as I found them.
No, 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 no.
Alright, let's stop the video here. It's 30 seconds left.
No, 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 no.
Goodbye, everybody.
I will eat your soul first.
Shut up. This was the Buttface Adventures. Goodbye.
No, 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 no.